popular resort area, which has about 150 tourists are still who are believed to be trapped in the resort in Mebadi area of Wayanad, where some of these tourists and staff have also reportedly suffered injuries. We'll be going across to Deepak as well to help us understand as far as this terrain is concerned, because the landslide struck early in the morning or on the wee hours there, as far as people being unable to even find out time or to realize what had happened. How difficult or what is this terrain all about, which is popular to tourists there, as far as there are multiple resorts, Deepak, who are said to be situated in that area?
This is quite a hilly region. There are a lot of tree plantations and more importantly, of course, houses. A lot of resorts, a lot of tourists as well come in during the monsoon season to enjoy the nature. But of course, during this time and whenever there is heavy rainfall, there is an issue with landslides. And this major landslide that has occurred just a couple of years ago, we saw a huge one killing at least about 20 people. And that was just about 2 to 3 kilometers from this area. Now, we are picking up that resort named Tree Valley Resort. This is in the Mepadi area. There as well, they've got stuck. All the connecting roads at this point in time filled with debris because of the landslide. About 3 different landslides, I'm told, have hit them, but fortunately, no major injuries to the people who are inside. About 150 people. This includes, of course, tourists and staff at that resort itself right now trapped. They're waiting for assistance to come in. As of now, the army, the NDRF have also been informed, who along with the local teams there will try to, of course, use JCBs, cut through, roads that are, accessible at this point in time, clean up the debris and try to rescue them as soon as possible. Because while, of course, they were in the comfort of a resort, but, staying there would only mean that the difficulty and the challenges would increase, considering the fact that...
Because the first priority is the rescue operations, as multiple teams from different disaster relief forces that have been deployed. Indian Army too will be also sending their teams, as far as when it comes to this area. Around 150 tourists are said to be trapped in that place. Thank you very much for the moment, Deepak, for joining in. We'll keep updating our viewers on this extent of tragedy and, of course, the rescue operations that have been taking place.